Please don't forget the happy times that we had before, for so many years, when we were together, hugging each other. I couldn't stand being far from you. I miss those times when kids were young, and I still recall those innocents, their happy faces that would make me cry. It's night in joy and thanking God for them and you, my heart, for blessing me so much. I'm just a sentimental dad who love my kids. I'm so in love, I cry enough, a fool for love. I love my wife, my better half, for eternity. You bet my love, when we are together, laughing together, I feel like I'm in a stroke of love. Today I pray with all my heart for my family. Oh, how blessed I am, the joy of marriage that God granted me. I would have never guessed at all, but now I'm leaving it before my very love my kids. I'm so in love, I cry enough, a fool for love. Today I pray and thank my God for my family. Oh, how blessed I am, the joy of marriage that He granted me. I'm so beyond words, tears just flow.